As humans, we're naturally curious and love exploring the unknown, always pushing the limits of what we know. The deep ocean, which covers more than two-thirds of our planet, is full of mysteries, and we're going to dive into shocking, insane deep-sea mysteries that will freak you out. Welcome back to Epic Explorer with another knowledge pack video. Let's start off from the mysterious Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench, named after the nearby Mariana Islands, is the deepest part of the world's oceans, reaching almost 36,000 feet down. This place is pitch black, has crushing pressures and freezing temperatures that have puzzled scientists for years. Two main mysteries about the Mariana Trench are its strange inhabitants and its weird geography. First of all, we will talk about the strange creatures in Mariana Trench. Life in the Mariana Trench has adapted to survive in ways that seem impossible. Many creatures here, which are still not fully discovered or understood, defy the biological and physical rules we know. They glow in the dark, using bioluminescence to survive and endure the immense pressure and cold. Take the snailfish, for example. It's a tadpole-like creature and the deepest living fish known to man, showing how tough life can be in harsh environments. However, many species in the trench remain unidentified because exploring such depths is technically and physically challenging. Why Mariana Trench has weird geography. It's not just the depth that fascinates scientists, it's also the trench's geological features. The Challenger Deep, the trench's lowest point, and the Sirena Deep are zones with unique geological formations that are still not fully understood. These places host some of the most exotic and least understood ecosystems on Earth. At such extreme depths, traditional research and exploration methods don't work, making the trench's depth a huge obstacle. The pressure here is over 1,000 times that at sea level, strong enough to crush most submarines. Let's jump on to recent discoveries in Mariana Trench. A recent and concerning mystery is the detection of microplastics in organisms living in these extreme conditions. Finding human-made pollution at such profound depths shows how far-reaching our impact on the planet is even in the most remote and inaccessible ecosystems. So, the Mariana Trench remains one of the most mysterious and intriguing places on Earth, with many secrets left to uncover. The Mariana Trench is like the ultimate exploration challenge, symbolizing the wonder and mystery of the deep sea. Every expedition uncovers new facts, changing what we know about life and geology, making it one of the ocean's greatest unsolved mysteries. The curious case of the Bermuda Triangle, which is still a mystery. The Bermuda Triangle, a loosely defined area in the Atlantic Ocean, has puzzled people for decades due to the mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. This has sparked countless conspiracy theories. But there's more to it than just the surface. The underwater world here is equally fascinating. What's beneath the Bermuda Triangle? Below the waves, the Bermuda Triangle's ocean floor features vast underwater plains, dramatic drop-offs, and submerged mountain ranges. One particularly interesting mystery is the presence of underwater methane hydrates. These gas deposits, trapped in ice-like substances, could potentially create massive bubbles capable of sinking ships, though this theory hasn't been proven. Deep beneath these waters lies the Puerto Rico Trench, the deepest part of the Atlantic Ocean. Its extreme depth and unexplored nature make it a prime spot for scientific discovery. The Bermuda Triangle's deep-sea environment is packed with secrets, keeping scientists and explorers intrigued and adding another layer to its infamous reputation. Let's talk about another deep-sea mystery, Abyssal Gigantism, also known as giants of the deep. One of the most amazing deep-sea phenomena is Abyssal Gigantism, where deep-sea animals grow much larger than their shallow water relatives. Examples include the Japanese spider crab, with a leg span of up to 12 feet, and the giant squid, which can reach over 40 feet in length. Scientists have several theories about why these creatures grow so large. Some think it's an adaptation to scarce food resources, as larger creatures can go longer without eating. Others believe it helps them withstand the deep ocean's crushing pressures. Another idea is that the cold, oxygen-rich environment supports larger body sizes. Even with these theories, the exact reasons for abyssal gigantism remain unknown, making it a fascinating mystery that could reveal more about deep-sea life and evolution. Another deep-sea mystery, a mysterious sound, or also known as the bloop. In 1997, scientists detected a mysterious underwater sound called the bloop, which was several times louder than the blue whale's call. The sound source was pinpointed to a remote area in the South Pacific Ocean. Initially, people speculated it might be a giant sea creature, but scientists later concluded it was likely the sound of large icebergs fracturing, known as ice quakes. Despite this explanation, some still find the bloop puzzling, highlighting how much we have yet to learn about the deep ocean sounds. Let's talk about the enigmatic colossal squid. In the cold, dark waters of the Southern Ocean lives the colossal squid, a creature of legendary proportions. Reaching up to 46 feet in length and weighing half a ton, it's the largest invertebrate on the planet and one of the ocean's biggest mysteries. The colossal squid has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom and powerful, sharp hooks on its tentacles, yet we know very little about its lifestyle, breeding habits, lifespan, or interactions with other species. Some think it's an aggressive predator, while others believe it might ambush prey. Its deep and inhospitable habitat makes it difficult to study, ensuring the colossal squid remains a symbol of the ocean's remaining mysteries. The hidden megalodon, also known as prehistoric shark, the megalodon, an enormous prehistoric shark that ruled the oceans millions of years ago, is believed to be extinct. This massive creature, reaching up to 60 feet, left a significant mark in the fossil record, especially with its huge teeth. However, some people think it might still be lurking in the unexplored depths of the ocean. This idea is fueled by alleged sightings and findings like suspiciously large, fresh-looking teeth and scars on whales that seem to be caused by huge predators. However, mainstream science strongly suggests that the megalodon has been extinct for millions of years due to a lack of recent fossil evidence and changes in climate and prey availability. While the thought of megalodons roaming the oceans today is thrilling, it's more science fiction than fact. Nonetheless, this mystery keeps our fascination with the ocean and its ancient monsters alive. Next, up the unsolved disappearance of Flight 19. Flight 19 was a group of 5 U.S. Navy TBM Avenger torpedo bombers that vanished in December 1945 during a routine training mission, becoming one of the most famous incidents associated with the Bermuda Triangle. The disappearance of 14 airmen, along with the 13 crew members of a PBM Mariner aircraft sent to search for them, has triggered numerous theories. Communication transcripts reveal that Flight 19 experienced navigational difficulties, but the exact events leading to their disappearance remain unclear. Despite extensive investigations, no trace of the aircraft or crew has ever been found, adding to the mystery. Some theorize that underwater currents or magnetic anomalies played a role. The vanishing of Flight 19 serves as a reminder of the ocean's vastness and our limited understanding of it. The answers likely lie on the ocean floor, hidden by miles of water and decades of mystery. Next up, the lost city of Atlantis. Is it reality or myth? The lost city of Atlantis, first described by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, has intrigued people for centuries. According to Plato, Atlantis was an advanced civilization that existed about 9,000 years before his time and sank into the sea in a single day and night of disaster. Over the years, countless theories have tried to pinpoint Atlantis' location, from the Mediterranean Sea to the Caribbean and even Antarctica. Underwater ruins discovered worldwide often spark new speculations about links to Atlantis, but no conclusive evidence has been found. Some scientists and historians view Atlantis as a myth created by Plato to convey philosophical points, while others believe it was a real place. Despite the lack of consensus, the allure of Atlantis endures. symbolizing our fascination with advanced ancient civilizations and the mysteries hidden by the deep ocean. Now we will talk about unidentified marine life. The ocean, especially its deepest parts, is full of untold biological diversity. Estimates suggest that millions of marine species are yet to be discovered, many of them likely inhabiting the vast, largely unexplored deep-sea environment. These unidentified species aren't just small, inconspicuous creatures. In recent decades, scientists have discovered entirely new species of large creatures, like the Dumbo octopus and the Hoff crab. Each new discovery provides valuable insights into biological adaptations, deep-sea ecology, and even potential pharmaceutical compounds. However, the technical challenges of deep-sea exploration and the vastness of the ocean make finding and documenting new species daunting. These teeming yet unidentified creatures highlight the ocean's richness and the scale of the biological mysteries it holds. As technology evolves, we hope to uncover more of these mysteries, bringing us closer to understanding our planet's marine life. The vanishing underwater anomalies is another deep-sea mystery. The ocean depths are home to various puzzling anomalies, from inexplicable lights to structures that seem too geometrically perfect to be natural. Some of these anomalies are fleeting, appearing and vanishing without a trace, adding to the mystery and intrigue of the deep sea. Some underwater anomalies stick around, showing up in ocean floor mapping data but still defying explanation. One famous example is the Baltic Sea anomaly, a 200-foot diameter object found on the seafloor during a sonar scan in 2011. Its strange UFO-like shape sparked a lot of speculation, but we still don't know what it is. Another mystery is the disappearance of underwater formations. In 2014, Google Earth images showed unusual circular formations on the seafloor off the coast of Greece. However, a later expedition found no trace of them. Are these just imaging errors, or do they represent unknown ocean phenomena or creatures? With our current technology, the depths of the ocean remain challenging to explore, and these anomalies often raise more questions than answers. They remind us of how much we still have to learn about our planet's vast oceans. The silent zone, also known as the ocean's deepest layer. Next we will talk about the Hadal zone, named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld, is the deepest part of the ocean, ranging from about 6,000 to 11,000 meters below the surface. Often called the silent zone, this area is home to some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. The enormous pressure, up to 1,000 times greater than at sea level, perpetual darkness, and near-freezing temperatures create a harsh environment where life still manages to thrive. Various species like Hadal snailfish and amphipods have adapted to survive these extreme conditions. Despite its inhospitable nature, human impact has reached this zone. Studies have found traces of radioactive carbon from nuclear tests in the organisms living there. However, the Hadal zone remains largely unexplored due to the challenges of deep-sea exploration. Our understanding of the species living there, their adaptations, and the functioning of these extreme ecosystems is still limited. The silent zone is one of the ocean's most profound mysteries, a world of darkness and pressure that continues to defy our understanding. Ghost ships, the phantom vessels in the deep sea. The deep sea is known for capturing vessels in its depths, creating a fleet of ghost ships that drift along currents or lie silent on the seafloor. These ships, ranging from ancient galleons to modern freighters, often disappear without a trace, fueling numerous maritime legends. One such ghost ship is the SS Beichimo, a cargo steamer abandoned in Alaskan waters in 1931. It was sighted multiple times over the next few decades, but hasn't been seen since 1969. Its final resting place remains a mystery. Another well-known phantom vessel is the Mary Celeste, found adrift in the Atlantic Ocean in 1872. The ship was in good condition with ample supplies, but the crew was nowhere to be found. Despite various theories, the fate of the Mary Celeste's crew is still unknown. These ghost ships symbolize the ocean's inscrutability. Despite advancements in marine technology and navigation, the sea continues to claim vessels, leaving behind stories of mystery and intrigue. Whether these ghost ships drift on the ocean's currents or lie undiscovered on its floor, they serve as a haunting reminder of the ocean's power and mystery. Why there are unexplained deep-sea circles is next up on our list. One of the coolest mysteries of the ocean floor is the presence of strange formations called deep-sea circles. These patterns, found hundreds of meters deep, are incredibly symmetrical and intricate, looking a lot like crop circles. One famous example was found off the coast of Japan in 1995. Initially a mystery, it turned out to be the work of a small species of pufferfish. The male fish creates these intricate patterns on the seafloor as part of a mating ritual. Pretty amazing. But not all deep sea circles have such clear explanations. Larger ones found around the world remain unexplained. Their symmetry suggests they're not natural geological formations, but no one knows for sure. Could they be made by unknown sea creatures or result from unknown geological phenomena? The mystery of these deep sea circles highlights how much we still have to discover about the ocean. Each new discovery brings more questions, underscoring the ocean's enduring mystery. Next up is the puzzling nature of the ocean's microbial dark matter. Microorganisms like bacteria and archaea form the backbone of the ocean's ecosystems, playing key roles in nutrient cycling and regulating the ocean's chemistry. Despite their importance, we are just starting to understand the diversity and complexity of these tiny life forms. This field of study is often compared to exploring microbial dark matter. Scientists estimate that the world's oceans are home to millions, possibly billions, of different microbial species. Many of these microbes can't be identified using traditional methods like lab cultivation or genetic analysis. These unknown microbes are sometimes called microbial dark matter, similar to dark matter in physics. This microbial dark matter holds a vast reservoir of untapped biodiversity, including organisms with unique metabolic abilities, novel biomolecules, and unprecedented survival strategies adapted to the extreme conditions of the deep sea. Studying microbial dark matter is challenging. The deep sea environment is tough to sample and even tougher to replicate in a lab. However, metagenomics, a technique that sequences all the genetic material in a sample, has already revealed many previously unknown microbial species and their unique metabolic pathways. Despite these advances, our understanding of microbial dark matter is still in its early stages. We have many questions about how these microbes interact, their contributions to biogeochemical cycles, and how they survive extreme conditions. Moreover, human activities like pollution and climate change are altering the ocean's chemistry, impacting microbial communities in unknown ways. Understanding these changes is crucial for ocean health and future research. The haunting oceanic whistle, a sonic mystery. In the ocean's depths, sound is crucial because light doesn't travel far underwater. Scientists have recorded a mysterious and haunting whistle that seems to defy explanation. Detected by underwater microphones, the sound is a low-frequency whistle that gradually rises in pitch. It appears sporadically and can last from a few seconds to several minutes. This sound has been heard in various parts of the world's oceans, but its source remains unknown. Several theories exist to explain the whistle. Some suggest it might be a form of communication used by an undiscovered deep-sea creature. Certain whales and squids produce low-frequency sounds, but the whistle's specific characteristics don't match known animal calls. Others propose it could be related to seismic activity, as the ocean crust's movements can generate sounds. However, the whistle's rhythmic and tonal quality isn't typical of seismic sounds, which are usually more chaotic. Another theory is that the whistle might be caused by human activity. The ocean is full of undersea cables and pipelines, and ships constantly traverse its surface. However, no direct evidence links the whistle to human activities. There's also the possibility that the whistle is due to an unknown physical process. The deep ocean's extreme conditions could theoretically create unique acoustic phenomena, but this is purely speculative without further data. The oceanic whistle is a testament to the vast, unexplored nature of the ocean and the mysteries it holds. Each time it echoes through the depths, it raises the question, what unseen force or creature is making this sound? Scientists continue to monitor and analyze the ocean soundscape, hoping to solve this sonic mystery. Until then, the haunting whistle continues to reverberate unanswered in the ocean's depths, highlighting the importance of sound in understanding the marine world. As technology advances, our ability to listen to and interpret these sounds will improve, uncovering more of the ocean's secrets.